This is just the intro, guys, for Redemption Song by Bob Marley, or in the little lick. The main lesson for the song is in the link in the description below. I'll give you a little demonstration. This isn't easy. I still make mistakes messing around with it, so don't panic if you can't get it straight away. It'll take a lot of practice, okay? So this is roughly what it should sound like. So here we go. And then again, you play it twice. Something like that. I'm sure you guys could play it better than me. Maybe better if you want to use a peg drum. It's up to you, or you've good nails. But just work on it. So this is how you get to there. So the first part, you're using frets 2 and 3 only, and open. Strings 6, 5, 4. Okay, to get to that there, guys, and make it sound better than me, which wouldn't be hard. You're going the first part, strings 6 on the 3rd fret, open 5th string, 5th string 2nd fret, 6th string 3rd fret, 5th string 3rd fret, 4th string 2nd fret, 4th string open, 5th string 2nd fret. Okay, and then the next part goes 6th string 3rd fret, then 2nd string, 5th string 2nd fret. Sorry, actually I'm wrong. It's open. Then 5th string 2nd fret, open 4th string, then 5th string 2nd fret, 5th string 3rd fret, 5th string 2nd fret, 5th string open, then on the 6th string, and that's it. Apologies there for making a mistake. I've done this so many times. I make that many mistakes on it. I'm just trying to do it nice and slow, and I'm too busy looking at the camera and doing the right thing, and then I'm looking at my notes, and then I'm looking at the strings, and I'm thinking, oh, hope this is okay. So guys, just work on it and you'll get the feel for it. Okay, maybe a plectrum wouldn't be too bad, but let me know how you get on, and I hope that helps you. Oh, by the way, when you do go into the song, you come in here and that finishes off on the oh, paparazzi, yes, they're all mine. So you come into the second part, so you go bum 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 bum, and then oh, paparazzi, yes, they're all blind. Sold to the merchant ships. Something like that, guys. But this is just a slow basic lesson, and hopefully it got you through it. Thank you very much, guys, for your support. It is greatly appreciated. You don't realise how much I think of you guys. It's just fantastic, all the support you give me. And it's so cool, from people all around the world, from Canada to France, Ireland, New Zealand, Germany, USA, Brazil, Philippines. It's just endless. Thank you so much, guys. It's so cool. Speak to you all soon, and hopefully I get another lesson up very soon. All the best.